that's question one. How do you understand the journey to the demo? And then question two would be the demo itself. Are you doing anything to make sure that that content is also valuable?
So I'm definitely a data nerd. I always fall back on the data for whatever it is that I'm doing, decisions I'm making, analyzing things. So we answer both of these questions with analytics, quite honestly. In terms of the journey, we definitely promote our various demo requests through a lot of different channels. We're looking at what channels are converting the best into actually getting the demo request. We're breaking it down into the audience to see if there is a certain audience that prefers one channel over another. This was actually another reason why we decided to have different demo offerings, was to answer the question, is there anything that we can see with audiences wanting one type of demo offer over another? And then even on the website, not everybody is going to land directly on a demo page and convert there. So we do want to see, are they looking at certain resources and then going over to the demo request? Is it our blog? Is it our product pages? So we're taking a look at that just to find all the different ways that we can optimize that journey to the demo request.